Hi, I'm Alpna Parida and I'm the founder of Twara Helmets. We are the only brand for women's helmets made in India. These are outstanding helmets in terms of quality and, of course, a sense of style. And this is my third career. I graduated from IIM Ahmedabad way back in 1985, and of course, had a career. After that, we had children, and we used to live in Delhi where we had no family support. So when the girls were young, we had a lot of nanny issues, housekeeper issues, scary ones at that. And so bit by bit it became apparent that somebody needed to be home. And typically that's typical for our generation. Typically it's the mother who stays at home. So I began staying at home. My career took a back seat, and that started happening as we went along. Shortly after that, we traveled to other parts of the world where initially I couldn't work, and then by the time I got a working permit, I had had such a long break in my career that it was difficult to get back to get a job. And so, like so many other women who are qualified, I would hear this saying, "Seat kharab kar di," by going to the institute. And all of these were challenges. So I kept doing gigs, I kept doing a little project here, a little consulting work here and there, but there was nothing which was a career. I think it's only when we came back from America. So while we were in the US, we had a friend who had a business that he was running, and I called him and I said, I'm climbing a new wall every day, and please give me something to do. So he came and said, we have a job for you. Now that job was a very clerical job almost. But I think just the fact that I could have adult conversation in the day and I could do something made me go back. One of the things that happens to women who don't work for a long time is that you lose confidence saying, am I even going to be able to do this? But I guarantee you, it takes you not more than 10 days or 15 days to go back to work and say, hey, I know this, I can do this. We moved back to India, and I was very lucky that a friend who had known me for a long time put his faith in me and gave me an opening and a job. By that time, I hadn't worked in a full-time role for almost 10 years. And this was a very, very lucky opening. Of course, I was paid the lowest, and of course, even the pegging of seniority was at a lower level. But I think it's important to restart without ego and just moving on, and which is what I did. And of course, it was a very, very exciting time of my life. I then headed marketing for Tanishq. I headed merchandising. I became responsible for a lot of all the product introduction over there. I also was responsible for the marketing budgets, which were massive. So it was a very, very exciting. We brought Juda Akbar that time, and I think the entire resurgence of Jadao and Polki jewelry happened during that time. So I think it's a question of somebody giving you an opportunity and you saying, look, it doesn't matter what level I start at, I will build it back. And that's what I did then. After which I, just moved to Mumbai because my husband moved. And that's what happens to a lot of women's careers. They move when the family moves. For I think a couple of years, I stayed alone in Bangalore. And we found that we were all in different parts of the world. So it did make sense to come back to Mumbai. When I did that, I started running a branding firm, which I ran. And that was a tremendous phase of my life where I think for the first time I was the CEO of an organization. And one of the things being CEO teaches you that if you're comfortable, then you're not doing your job. You fundamentally have to do things that make you uncomfortable. Otherwise, you're doing exactly the same thing you did before and nothing new. So those were some of the learnings. And then the bug bit me to start something. I'm a late stage entrepreneur. And I believe, Genghis Khan set out to conquer the world well into his 50s. And that's when I started my venture. Today we make helmets for women. And this is the third phase of my career. I would just say anyone, forget about what qualifications you have, forget about what you've done, not done. I think just start, just take that first step. If you've got that thought in your head that I want to do something, don't wait for someone to validate you. There'll be enough people telling you it can't be done, but believe in yourself and just take the first step. You take the first step, the second will follow, and the third will follow, and it might take, a few thousand steps before you get there, but that's okay. Just do it. So that's all the best to all of you. Thank you.